In this video, I will show you how to build a torch in LEGO Fortnite. So let's jump straight into it. So to go ahead and build a torch, you first of all need a crafting bench. Now once you've gone ahead and got your crafting bench, you can go ahead and build torches at your crafting bench. So if you look at the top, you want to come across to the icon that actually looks like a picture of a torch, and what you can do is build sets of 3 torches. Now these are ideal for exploring caves, as you will have light in caves, and they do create a small amount of warmth. So if you do go to like the frozen plains, it's going to give you some warmth and stop you from getting too cold. Now to go ahead and do this, you need 3 wood and 5 vines. So what you can do is chop down some trees to get your wood, and to get vines you want to find these pumpkin patches, and when you actually go ahead and harvest the pumpkins, they're going to drop vines like this. So once you've got enough resources, all you need to do is come back to your crafting bench, and basically you can go across and then proceed to build your torches. To go ahead and use your torches, once you've built them, just go ahead and open up your inventory, and you can see the torches are here. So all you need to do is press triangle and then go ahead and move this to your quick bar, just like so. And once that's done, you can then go ahead and use your torch by going across on your quick bar, and as you can see, we now have a torch. So that's how to go ahead and build a torch on LEGO Fortnite. I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.